shell, girl. So this video was sponsored by the lovely people of Nadula Hair, who sent me some bundles, y'all. I don't know if I was tripping or something. I could have sworn one of them bundles was 26 inches, but it says all three were 24. I don't know. But yes, the texture they gave me was Yaki straight. Here's what they look like fresh out of the bag. The luster on this hair, I can't even tell you. Them things was glossing and shining. So in preparation for this install, I went over here to my girl Nikki at Varna's. Let me tell you something, I appreciate you because I can't braid worth a darn. But this is my braid pattern, y'all. My scalp was a little thirsty. So while I was at the shop, she used this Nairobi scalp. Girl, let me tell you something. I didn't even want to leave her chair after she put that mess in my head. Oh my gosh. So I'm just giving you a quick little close-up of the density of the wefts. Now listen, look at that woman. She got a stain on her shirt and a needle in her mouth. You know she is about some serious business. And I knew it was all downhill from the first time I tried to put that needle in there. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something how hard it is to do a sew-in. It's mighty hard, okay? Shout out to all the women out there who do sew-in so flawlessly on YouTube. Y'all gassed my head up because no ma'am, what is this? Look at her. She is concentrating, trying, and struggling. Look, she about to cry in the car. Y'all, I don't even want to hear it. It's been a while, all right? Me and needles, we don't, that's not the vibe. I was about to give up, y'all. Eyes mighty low. But you know what Dory said? She said keep swimming. So that's what I did. And I really tried hard. And guess what? It started to look amazing. You see that? That's all I got left, boo. One more bundle to go. Went to YouTube University for a little strength and had a little cry, and I came back hard. Never back down, never what? All right, so, my gosh. Listen, tell me you're a quick weave girl without telling me you're a quick weave girl. Because sewing, my God, my Lord. So I'm just oiling my scalp right now because my scalp is because my scalp is super dry. And right now we have moved on to the flat ironing and hot combing portion. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna press this hair. I'm using some heat protector. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my heat protectant on this hair, and then I might try to do some kind of baby hair situation or something. I don't know. Like I said before, I got AARP Medicaid edges, and they are too long to be trying to swoop into a little thing. So I might get creative. I might get creative. So I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron this. As you see, the install is nice and flat, and it is as close as possible to that leave out. Thank you so much, Nikki, for my braid down because I couldn't do it. I probably will never be able to braid like that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure I get all my hair protected because I do not flat iron my hair at all. So, you know, this is gonna be a shock. My strands are gonna be a shock, child. But my hair is growing, y'all. All right. Okay, and after I'm done with this, I'll be right back, and then we're going to move on to cutting. So I just used a little spray wax on my hair because I noticed that it's reverting a little bit because my hair is not used to being straight and it's a little humid. But right now, I guess I can show you guys how long the hair is. And let's see, it was 26 and 224. So I put the 26 on the base, 24 is at the top. And now it's time to cut. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut this hair, and then I'm going to curl it up with my curling iron because my curling iron came, and it's beautiful. Isn't she lovely? Anyway, I'm going to cut the hair, and then I'm gonna do my makeup, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna curl it, and then you're gonna see what we get when we're done. I'm all done with cutting because for this install, I'm just gonna wear it curly. That's just I can't wear it straight because my hair is not gonna let me degrade. So I could put a pound of spray wax in my head and this thing will be a fro in 2 hours. So I'm just going to curl it. The way that I cut it is going to give big bouncy layers. I'm using my big curling iron, curling this hair so you can see the final look.
Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying.
I'm gonna go ahead and remove these clips because they're all cooled down. I gotta get longer clips. These short clips are not.
You have to.
Okay, so obviously I have a lot of body here. I'm gonna go ahead and use this rake comb to comb out the curls. And I also am still in the process of styling. So we'll see how it goes now. So the way I cut, I started up here. So that's why I have some short layers and I have some long layers throughout. And I'm gonna comb these curls right on out. So these layers came out gorgeous. If y'all can see the total destruction, y'all, I tore this bathroom up trying to make this work. So I'm gonna add just a tiny bit, all right? Because I almost pulled out my oil sheen. That would have been a bad day. That would have been terrible. I got my glosser out. I'm just gonna shinify these curls even though they don't really need them. It's just out of habit at this point. Just a little bit, like spraying perfume. One thing I had the most problem with, I had to scour my whole collection of edge controls. Defeated, okay? My hair is stronger than these edge controls, apparently. But that's it, that's the final style. We do a little cute little 360. Thank you, Nadula Hair, for sponsoring this video with these bundles because it has been, something has awoken in me. It has been too long since I've done my quick weaves. I used to love. I still have a bottle of hair glue in there for no reason at all. For no reason, just because. It has been a long time since these hands have used needle and thread for anything other than some fabric. I was fighting for my life. Thank you guys for watching. All the information about the bundles I used will be in the description box below. Bye!
Nadula.